Doing housework is easy. You may disagree and feel that it is in fact extremely difficult. But what makes it difficult? Your clutter, of course. It's not the cleaning that takes the time. It's moving all the junk out of the way before you can begin. In this video, I'm going to share some great ways to help yourself by sweeping away your clutter before you tidy up your house. I'm the Clutter Expert, and I create videos that motivate you and help you declutter your life. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and remember to ring that notify bell. And please leave a comment or a like. How to make housework easier. Dusting dilemmas. Let's start with the dusting. What's so hard about applying a squirt of polish and running a duster over a few surfaces? Sounds easy, doesn't it? Well, not if you can't find the duster or the polish, and then have to remove 24 ornaments before you can begin. Vexed by vacuuming? Then there's the vacuuming. Gliding a vacuum cleaner to and fro over a carpet, it's not that hard, is it? Well, it wouldn't be if it weren't for those pesky Lego pieces on the floor. Not to mention navigating the coffee table, a surplus of chairs, a pile of magazines, and a host of other obstacles. Tidying traumas. When you have clutter, you need to tidy up before you can start to clean. And that's when your problems really begin. Where do you start when there's stuff everywhere? It can feel like all you are doing is moving piles of stuff from one place to another in order to clean. And in fact, that's exactly what you are doing. You need less stuff. Wouldn't it all be so much easier if you just had less stuff? If your cupboards weren't full of all the things you never use, you could fill them with things you do use. You know you use those things because they're lying around, cluttering up the floor and every flat surface in the house. You can't put them away because your cupboards and closets are already full of junk. Shuffling isn't the solution. You just shuffle the junk around from A to B and from B to C, and then it all ends up back at A again. You never gain any ground because you're caught in the cycle of clutter chaos. The clutter must go. The only solution is to get rid of your clutter. Empty your storage of all that junk. Get rid of all the things you don't use, didn't know you had, and don't care about. Then there'll be room to put away the possessions that are lying around your house, the things that you do actually use. Housework is easy. Finally, when your surfaces look clear and your floor has no obstacles, you'll find it easy to clean. You'll be amazed at how quickly the housework gets finished. And suddenly, you'll have some free time on your hands. Then, illumination will strike, and you'll realise that housework really can be easy. Because life is what happens to you when you declutter.